Welcome to Handy Hudsonite. Today I'm going to share with you a PCV valve replacement on a 2000 Toyota Camry. This is a video that I did about a year ago, and it is a simple fix on a PCV valve, which stands for positive crankcase ventilation. And all cars have this, at least all cars that I'm aware of. And it enables the crankcase to breathe. And anyway, we're not going to get into all the different mechanical details of it. So I hope this short video will help you to learn how to swap this out. This is done in a 2000 Toyota Camry. The procedure is similar on many vehicles, but be sure to consult your auto manual to see how the proper technique for replacing it. And again, remember to be safe, to wear the proper eye protection, ear protection if needed, and I like to wear gloves it just makes the cleanup afterwards easier. So again, I am not a certified mechanic, but there are many tips and hacks and different procedures that I've picked up over the years on how to do simple auto maintenance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the PCV valve, which is right here, PCV valve, and the PCV hose, and then the PCV grommet, which is here, the valve cover. This is a 2000 Toyota Camry CE, 4-cylinder. You can see the spark plug connectors here in the valve cover, the oil cap. So I've already taken this hose clamp off here. This hose probably will be seized up a bit, especially if it's been on here a while. This one could be the original, so I just pull that off and then pull the PCV valve. Here's the new grommet. So all you do is just push that down here. It goes in very easily into the valve cover. Here's the new PCV valve. Hopefully that's okay. Dropped it. PCV valve right here. Just push that down into the grommet. Make sure you line up this tab in the back. Okay, that's in there. Now, probably should have put this on before I put the valve in. That's quite a bend there. Okay, so there you have the new PCV valve in. Wonder if I actually have that on backwards. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Now, all you have to do, handy pliers here, and we're gonna bring that up, clamp it down. You don't want to get too close to the edge of the hose there, but close enough to give it a firm. Let me turn these around. Okay, so now we've got that on. That's sitting down in there. see if we can start this up and see what's going on. It's in. You're going to make sure you check for any leaks after you have this in, but that's how you replace the PCV valve, grommet, and hose for a 2000 Camry. Thanks for watching. Videos that are filled with tips, hacks, and reviews on software, tech, auto, home, projects that will enable you to grow in being handy and to get the job done.